So we continue with the similarity chapter. We are done with the exercise 15a. Now we move on to the next exercise. Now before we know that thing, we need to understand one more theorem over here, which is basic proportionality theorem. In short, we can say is that BPT. So basic proportionality theorem. Let's understand what is basic proportionality theorem. It is this way that if I got a triangle over here, and in this triangle, if I draw any line parallel to the base over here, anywhere over here, then the ratio of this is to this will be equal to this is to this. Okay, if this is parallel to this, then the ratio, that is AE upon EB, will be equal to AF upon FC. This is what is the basic proportion theorem. This upon this is equal to this upon this. That is basic proportion theorem. Let's see how do we get the basic proportion theorem. Now we know that these are parallel, so automatically ये angle तो common है, ये angle और ये angle corresponding हो गया, तो A dash हो गया. So in triangle AEF and triangle ABC, angle A is equal to angle A common, and angle E is equal to angle B, which is corresponding. Okay, so therefore triangle AEF similar to triangle ABC by AA test. This is done. अभी क्या करेंगे, ये अपॉन ये ले लेंगे, तो इट विल बी AE अपॉन AB will be equal to AF upon AC will be CPCT, CSST. Now what we'll do is, we are going to take over here. Now, what do we want is, okay, थोड़ा change कर देते हैं as per the, ठीक है, जाने दो, doesn't matter. Okay, so what we want is AE upon EB चाहिए, right हम लोग को. तो AB के बदले EB कैसे मिल सकता है? If I take a subtraction over there, so if I do it this way, that if I take what we call it as componendo, you can, when we take componendo over here, तो हो सकता है, या तो पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we are going to take it उल्टा, we will take it invertendo. So it will first is AB upon AE is equals to AF upon AC. So AC upon AF. Now if I add one to each other, so AB minus 1 is equal to AC upon AF minus 1. So this will be AB minus AE upon AE is equal to AC minus AF upon AF. What is AB minus AE will be equal to EB. So it will be EB upon AE will be equal to AC upon AF is CF upon AF. So that is the theorem. So which is nothing but reciprocal of this will be AE upon BE is equal to AF upon CF. That is the basic proportionality theorem. You can have multiple ways of doing this thing. You can take a component also. पहले अगर AE पहले ऊपर लिया रहेगा तो प्लस भी कर सकते हैं. ये उल्टा नहीं किया होता, मैंने इधर प्लस किया होता तो भी चलता था. तो there could be many ways of doing this thing. But anyways, you can follow the one which is what we can do. That is that instead of doing this minus 1, you can do it, you could have taken that AB is nothing but AE plus EB. But anyways, important of any particular theorem which is we are going to prove over here, you can use any of this method, so not a problem. One which is in the textbook also can be used. Here what I have written can also be used, so not a problem. So that is basic proportion theorem. It states that a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other two sides proportionally. Okay, line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other two sides proportionally. That is the basic proportional theorem. Similarly, the converse will be such that if a line divides any two sides of a triangle proportionally, then the line is parallel to the third side. So if this upon this is given to you, then automatically EF is parallel to BC. So this is the converse of this thing, exactly ulta of this thing. So that is the basic proportionality theorem. Yeah, very easy theorem as such, and it helps you to, when you are using the basic proportionality theorem, automatically the problem, see, because basic proportionality theorem, you don't need to prove the two triangles to be similar. So it saves your time of proving the two triangles to be similar. So if you just know that the lines are parallel to each other in a triangle के अंदर वाला part, then you can directly use basic proportionality theorem and sort it out rather than दोनों triangle को congruent prove करो, similar prove करो और फिर दिखाओ. कर सकते हो. Not that you cannot do it. You can do it both the ways. But yeah, it is slightly easier if you are doing the basic proportionality theorem. So we now start with exercise 15b, which is related to the questions based on similarity as well as something based on basic proportionality theorem. So yeah, both the things will be there. So let's see. So yeah, we see the exercise 15b. First up, in the following figure, D divides AB in the ratio 3:5. So it's given over here, the triangle. They are given that this parallel, so direct theorem use करना है. Okay, you are given that D divides the AB in the ratio 3:5. So this is 3 and this is 5. So first thing is given AD upon BD is equals to 3/5. First of all, we need to find out is AE upon EC. So is equals to AD upon BD by BPT. Therefore, AE upon EC is equals to 3/5. Second part, AD upon AB. Now, AD upon AB is equals to AD upon AD plus BD is equals to 3/3 plus 5 is equals to 3/8. Okay? Because even if you take it as 3x and 5x, xx is going to get cancelled. You can keep it directly over here as this way. Third one, AE upon AC. AE upon AC is equals to AE upon AE plus EC is equals to 3/3 plus 5 is equals to 3/8. Fourth one, find DE is equals to 2.4, find BC. Now, we know that AD upon AB is equals to DE upon BC because they are similar triangles. Or yeah, you need to write the, ठीक है, यहाँ पे similarity prove करना पड़ेगा because so in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, angle A is equals to angle A common and angle ADE is equals to angle ABC corresponding. So therefore triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by AA test. Therefore AD upon AB is equals to DE upon BC, CSST. So that gives us that AD is 3/8 is equals to DE is given as 2.4 upon BC. So BC is equals to 2.4 into 8 upon 3, 6 0.6 4 and this will be 5. So it will be 32 upon 5. That is going to be 6.4 centimeters. In the fifth part, you are going to use the same thing again. You have got over here AD upon AB is equals to DE upon BC. 3 upon 8 is equals to DE upon BC is 4.8. So DE is equals to 3 into 4.8 upon 8. So this is 8 6 so 0.6. So it is 1.8 centimeters. So D will be 1.8 centimeters for sum number 15 of sum number 1 or 15B. So 3.3 is to 5, 3 is to 8, 3 is to 8, 6.4 and 1.8. That was the first sum. We now move on to the third sum. Sum number 3. A line PQ is drawn parallel to the side BC. Line PQ is drawn parallel to the side BC of the triangle ABC. So line, so it's ABC and PQ is drawn parallel to side BC of triangle ABC, which cuts the sides P at AB at P and AC at Q. Fine, exactly the same. AB is given as 9. AB is equals to 9 centimeters. AC is equals to 6 centimeters. AQ is 4.2. This is 4.2. This is 6. This is 9. So this will be 1.8. AQ is equals to 4.2 centimeters. You need to find out AP. X is AP. So you can use basic proportional theorem also, or the this one also. We'll use basic proportional theorem. So first of all, we know that QC will be equal to AC minus AQ is equal to 6 minus 4.2 is equals to 1.8 centimeters. Now PQ is parallel to BC, therefore AP upon BP is equals to AQ upon QC by BPT. AP will not need to take it as AP upon BP will be 9 minus AP. This completed is 9 minus AP will be BP is equals to 4.2 upon 1.8. So AP into 1.8 is equals to 4.2 into 9 minus AP. So 1.8 AP is equals to 4.2 into 9 minus 4.2 AP. इसको इधर लेके आते हैं तो 1.8 AP plus 4.2 AP is equals to 4.2 into 9. So 6 AP is equals to 4.2 into 9. AP is equals to 4.2 into 9 upon 6. 6 2s are 3 are 3s are. This is 2.1, which is equals to 6.3 centimeters will be AP. If you don't want this calculations, then you can always take these two triangles as similar. Then x upon 9 will be equal to 4.2 is to 6. Yes, you can do that way also. Gives you the same answer, but मुझे वो triangle similar prove करना नहीं था, so I used the algebraic method. So if this is x and this is whole thing is 9, this whole thing is 9, so this will be 9 minus x. That is what we are written, 9 minus AP. Got it? So This was sum number 3rd of 15B is 6.3. We now move on to sum number 5. In the given figure, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AD. So it's already given that it's similar. So it's given that ABC and ADE, given triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE. If AE is to EC is 4:7, DE is 6.6, find BC. You need to find out BC. If X be the length of the perpendicular from A on DE, find the length of the perpendicular from A to BC. So that is, this is 6.6. And if I drop a perpendicular like this, and if this length is X, I need to find out. So M or N le lete hain. So first thing to prove that or to find is BC, and second thing is AN in terms of X. यहाँ पे similar तो prove already किया हुआ है, उन्होंने already बोला है कि it is similar, so it's not be of any problem to us. So we know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE, therefore given, therefore AB upon AD is equals to AB upon AD नहीं चाहिए ना, ठीक है, is equals to BC upon DE is equals to AE upon AC. AC upon AE. That is CSST. Now what we have got is BC, we want BC. DE I know is 6.6, so BC upon 6.6 is equals to AC is 4 plus 7 upon AE is 4. So it is BC is equals to 11 into 6.6 upon 4. Eleven threes are 33, 11 threes are 33, 36 upon 2. So that will be equal to 18.15 centimeter. So that will be BC will be given as in the fifth sum as 18.15 centimeters. Now we need to find out this one. Now we know that this also tells us that DE, because the ratio of this upon this or else also. This also tells us that angle AED is equal to angle ACB by CAST, because the triangles are given similar, so automatically this angle and this angle is equal. So automatically DE becomes parallel to BC by converse, or we can say just right, or corresponding angles. So now because we know that this is parallel to this, automatically we know that in triangle ANC and triangle AME, we know that AM upon AN करना है, ठीक है. We'll prove that to be similar. So we have angle A is equals to angle A common. Angle AME is equals to angle ANE. You don't require this part effect. You ये कर सकते थे. This is 90 degree given. Therefore triangle ANC similar to triangle AME by AA test. So we have AN. What we need to do is find out AN, right? Yeah. AN upon AM is X is equals to AE upon AC. AC upon, okay, I'll write it as AM. AC upon AE by CSST. So it is AN upon X is equals to AC is 11 upon AE is 4. So AN is equals to 11 upon 4x. So the perpendicular from A to BC will be 11 upon 4x. We now move on to sum number 7. So sum number 7, similar to what we had done earlier in the previous exercise, but here we can see if you can use the basic proportionality theorem. So you got, this is x, this is y, this is 3, this is 4.5, these are parallel lines, and this is 7.5. Now I don't think we can use the basic proportion theorem, we can directly use the same way what we did earlier, because we don't know the parts, otherwise basic proportion theorem could have been used, but right now this is x and 3, so you don't have it. So we will take these two triangles first. So you need to find the value of x and y. Okay. In triangle CEF and triangle CBA, angle C is equal to angle C vertically opposite angle, and angle CEF is equal to angle CBA alternate interior angles. Therefore triangle CEF is similar to triangle CBA by AA test. Therefore CE upon CB is equals to EF upon AB by CSST. So this is CE is 3 upon X is equals to EF is 4.5 upon 7.5. Accordingly, X will be equal to 7.5 into 3 upon 4.5. So 5 9s are, and 5 1 and 15s are, and 9 3s are, 1s are, 3s are, 5s are. So therefore X is equals to 5 centimeters. Now I take for the Y. Y is this one. So we take these two triangles. So in triangle FCD and triangle FAB, angle F is equals to angle F common, and angle FDC is equals to angle FBA corresponding. Therefore triangle FCD is similar to triangle FAB by AA test, and accordingly you will be having that what do you want? You wanted Y, you have to take this one. Shit. Okay, I'll do it again. I'll just change the things. It is BCD and BFE. So it is BCD and BEF. It is BEF. Angle B is equals to angle B, and angle BDC is equals to angle BFE. It is BFE corresponding. So that's why triangle BCD an angle, triangle BEF. Yeah. So this is the triangle, this triangle and this triangle. So it is going to be BC upon BE is equals to DC upon EF. BC is X and BE is 3 plus X is equals to Y. Okay, X we already found out is 5. So this 5 upon 8 is equals to DC is Y upon 4.5. So Y is equals to 5 into 4.5 upon 8. Okay, though that will be in decimal points again. So if I write this, it will be, okay, this is 5 into 45 upon 8 into 10. So 5 9s are and 5 2s are. So it is 45 upon 16. 16 2s are 32, and then it will be 13 upon 16 centimeters. So 13 upon 16 centimeters would be the answer for the seventh one. Okay, so X is 5 and Y is 13 upon 16. We move on to the next sum, that is sum number 9 of this exercise. Sum number 9. Okay, so you have a parallelogram over here. This is parallel and these are parallel. This is A, B, C, D, P, M and E. Again, M is the midpoint, so this and this are equal. ABC is a parallelogram, DM is a D. AB produce. Prove that. To prove that, PE is equal to twice PD. Okay. This upon this is going to be 1 upon 2. So of course when we take this 2. So but before we take this 2, we'll have to take this 2 because M is the midpoint. So we'll have to take it that way. Or else do we have any other option? PE और नहीं मिलेगा तो ये नहीं होगा. Right, we don't have much options. So we got in triangle PMC and triangle PDA. Angle P is equal to angle P vertically opposite, and angle PMC is equal to angle PDA, which is alternate interior angles. Therefore, triangle PMC is equal to similar to triangle PDA by AA test. And now we have that PM upon PD is equal to MC upon DA is equal to PC upon PA CSST. But MC upon AD will be half because we know that MC is equal to half BC and AD is equal to BC. Therefore, MC is equal to half AD. Therefore, MC upon AD is equal to 1 upon 2. This is 1 upon 2. So we have PM upon PD is equal to MC upon AD is equal to PC upon PA is equal to 1 upon 2. So now we know that from this triangle we know that the ratio of this is to this is 1 upon 2. और वही दोनों साइड ये दोनों ट्राइंगल में भी है. सो नाउ वी टेक दिस वन दैट इन ट्राइंगल PDC and triangle PEA we have got angle P is equal to angle P vertically opposite and angle PCD is equal to angle PAE alternate interior. Therefore triangle PDC is equal to is similar to triangle PEA by AA test. Accordingly, we have, now we want PE and PD. So we have PD upon PE is equals to, now we wanted this one, we wanted this over here, PC and AD. So there is PC upon AP. PC upon AP, right? PC upon AP. CSST. But this thing is nothing but 1 upon 2. So PD upon PE is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore PE is equal to 2 PD. Hence proved. Okay, so this was exercise 15B about similarity as well as something about okay, we did not use much of the basic proportional theorem, but yes, you can use in certain cases direct basic proportional theorem, but as such similarity to hai. So this was about the exercise 15B. Now we will move on to exercise 15C, which is about the area point, but in the next video.